Preparation before installation. Equipped with one crane, place components and parts on the flat surface of the workshop. Inventory components and parts. Install shaft sleeve and dust trim. Dismantle the front counterweight. The thread of the mounting hole on the breast counterweight is N24. Please prepare the lifting ring by yourself. Lift the connecting frame of front blade and tighten the mounting bolts. Tightening arm 850 Newton. Metric.
掉了吧，兄弟的呀！好，完了，有没有信息？多大钱？
Lift the front bulldozer plate, connect it with the pen shaft, and install the pen shaft baffle plate.
这是哥哥吧？玩玩，哇，是。哎呦，那你看，这个跟这关系，先开始。 Installed front blade. Install the cylinder, connect with the pen shaft, and install the pen baffle plate. 都一样的是吧？Install the valve block and pay attention to the oil port direction. Loosen the control cover. Install the control handle to reserve the installation position. Connect the control link to the valve stand and refasten the control cover to the bottom plate. 带了啊。
Connect the tubing. Pay attention to the longer hose connected to port A and the shorter hose to port B. Install pipe clamps to prevent the pipeline from loosening. Remove the plug of the oil circuitry skirt before the valve lock and install the drain. Pay attention to Keep the oil circuit clean. Install hard pipe joints. Remove the cover. Two people cooperate to pass the straight section of the two rubber pipes from the inset to the joint section of the valve block. Tighten the pipe joints. Remove the cover. Two people cooperate to pass the elbow section of the two rubber pipes from the side to the joint section of the valve block. Tighten the pipe joints. Start the machine and test the movement of the bulldozer plate.